Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will look at BTT and why Elon Musk believes BTT will multiply by 100 in summer 2021. But before we start the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it really encourages us to make more interesting videos. If you've been paying attention to the crypto community, you've probably noticed that the value of one particular token has suddenly increased. A cryptocurrency launched by the file-sharing torrent site Bittorrent increased by more than 60% in just 24 hours, making it one of the top-performing coins over the last week. This could have happened for a variety of reasons. The most significant potential trigger was the launch of Bittorrent, which included some new changes to its framework. Simultaneously, cryptocurrency investors enjoy piling on top of a hot token that has skyrocketed, propelling an otherwise minor price increase. Continue watching the video to find out if Bittorrent is a good investment right now and where it might go in the future. Bittorrent began as a way to share files with other people long before it became associated with cryptocurrency projects. Torrenting was a method for people to upload and transfer files in a peer-to-peer fashion without the use of a middleman, other than a torrent platform. Bittorrent, which was founded in 2001, was just one of many such platforms that have emerged over the last 2 decades. In July 2018, the platform was purchased by the blockchain platform Tron. Because Tron is attempting to decentralize content distribution by avoiding platforms such as YouTube.
About the future of BTT. What's the future of BTT? BTT is a very special token in cryptocurrency industry. BTT have several user cases. First of all is BitTorrent speed. BTT can be used inside of the BitTorrent ecosystem to accelerate the downloading speed, and you can earn BTT by uploading files into the BitTorrent ecosystem. This integration will be completed in the Q3 2020.
It made sense to incorporate a torrenting platform such as BitTorrent into the mix. Torrent platforms, in many ways, embodied the same vision that early blockchain enthusiasts had for crypto, decentralizing control away from large centralized institutions. Bittorrent has since added a number of new tools to the platform. In February 2019, a cryptocurrency token, BTT, will be issued. Rather than using mainstream blockchains such as Ethereum, BTT was launched on Tron's native blockchain. Bittorrent is currently the world's largest peer-to-peer file-sharing platform. Prices have recently risen by more than 60% with no explanation. Bittorrent's official Twitter account announced a number of platform upgrades, including a more decentralized network with improved security, among other notable changes. While this is a significant announcement for the platform, it is unclear whether it would have caused this jump on its own. It's entirely possible that traders simply took advantage of the opportunity and hoped that prices would continue to rise in response to the news, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. Bittorrent is currently trading at an all-time high. BTT has remained relatively stable in the cryptocurrency markets for the majority of its existence, with prices hovering around 0.0002 cents. Early investors can easily purchase billions of tokens at these low prices. When prices skyrocket, as they have now, you'll frequently see significant sell-offs as these early bird investors cash out their gains. Don't be surprised if BTT prices fall in the short term as this pattern plays out. If you are enjoying this video and want to know more about the world of cryptocurrency, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Elon Musk's tweet, "Who let the Doge out?" undoubtedly contributed to a meteoric rise in Dogecoin value, but another cryptocurrency is slowly making headlines for its rise in value. Bittorrent token, or Bittorrent coin, also known as BTT, increased by 150% in 24 hours. We can only speculate what this massive rise means.
So basically you can use BitTorrent speed in multiple platforms. This is very powerful. And after we roll out to majority percentage of the existing Bittorrent users, we have over 100 million monthly active users. It will have a very powerful network effect.
Because there is no news on the internet. But what exactly is Bittorrent token and why is it so important? Doge and Bitcoin made headlines after Elon Musk expressed his support for the cryptocurrency. While his company, Tesla Incorporated, invested a significant amount in Bitcoin, approximately $1.5 billion, Musk himself expressed public support for both cryptocurrencies via his Twitter account. As a result, cryptocurrencies experienced a massive surge and growth. Online platforms and media outlets jumped on the rise immediately, and the last we saw of it, Dogecoin's value had increased by more than 50%. BTT's performance had not improved significantly in the past. For a long time, there had been no spike. This new surge could be a part of the social media movement, which is expected to fade away. As a result, investors are unsure whether or not to invest in BTT. Despite the bearish market, BTT maintained its trade at 0.0002 cents at the start of January 2020. Bittorrent had risen to 0.0005 by the middle of February. Following the COVID-19 outbreak, the price fell to an all-time low of 0.00013 in March. Later, BTT began to skyrocket, reaching 0.0005 by August. Until the middle of December, the price fell precipitously.
Right now, we already have millions of the users start to using BTT as this kind of the user case. BitTorrent, uTorrent in all platforms. For example, Windows, Mac, Android. So basically, it's a multi-platform token.
BTT had dropped to 0.0002 by the end of 2020. BTT traded at 0.002, the price at which it ended the year 2020. Later, the price began to steadily rise. BitTorrent received adequate support from a number of institutions. BTT reached an all-time high of 0.0126 cents on April 5, 2021, because it is altcoin season. Experts predict that the price will continue to rise and may reach $1 by the end of 2021. Some, however, believe that BTT may end up surprising everyone. As of now, it is gradually increasing in value, and if social media continues to assist, the BTT may see a surge in the future. Well, that's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you're new to the channel to be notified when we upload more content.
At that day, after that, we will see BTT become like a global currency exchange for bandwidth. That's why we are also on the roadmap. We want to shape the BitTorrent wallet inside of the BitTorrent ecosystem. So that you can easier to hold any token inside of the Tron ecosystem, including BTT. So just stay tuned for our new updates about BitTorrent Speed.
I personally have been working on live peer-to-peer streaming for the last 2 years, which is of course primarily for, if not entirely, for video. And there's a lot of really interesting engineering problems behind that. The biggest ones are getting the load to be 99%, because when you've got millions of people watching something, you want almost none of the content to be coming directly from the original servers. And the other one is really getting the latency down. You want, I'm shooting for around a 5-second latency. So 5 seconds after the video is recorded, it's being displayed on everyone's screens. And